Hello there, dear children. So today we're going to learn to play All the Little Ducklings with the melody in the right hand. So last week we learned to play that song with the left hand in the melody and then the right hand chords. And now we're going to swap. At the end of this tutorial, I will go over the left hand melody one more time with the right hand chords, just so you maybe have it all together as a little review. Okay, so here we go. We're in the key of D major, and as you know, we have just learned the C major scale in both hands. And so while we're playing now the Little Ducklings, we're using that same technique. And if you remember, we did the same in Willem with the right hand. So here's how it goes. We're going to sing it in our key of D, Do. So here's our home tone, Do. And we go Do, Re, Mi. And then we're going to tuck under, right? The only difference is now we're on a black key versus when we're in C major. But we're doing the same movement. So after Mi, we're going to tuck over to Fa, Sol, La, So, La, Sol, Fa, Mi, Re, Do. That's kind of our warm-up, right? It's like this melody of Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, So, So, La, So, Fa, Mi, Re, Do. So we're only going as far as La. We're not going to do T and Do. Of course, you can play that whole scale now in D major. But we're doing the Little Ducklings now. So all what we're going to do is we're going to sing and play all the Little Ducklings. So sing the words with me. You can sing the solfege too. I'm going to sing the words right now, and you're going to play it along with me. All the little ducklings swim across the sea. Swim across the sea. Heads are under, back to me here, third finger, water. Now align your hand, because here's my so for tails look up at me. So it's really important you sing with the song so you understand and know where are going to be notes that are played repeatedly, right? All the little ducklings. That's all one note. Ducklings is 2 times. Ducklings. And so. And now we go swim across the. That's the same note. That's on La. So how many times do we sing that? Play it. Swim across the. So I hear it 4 times. So swim up. All the little ducklings. Now comes La. Swim across the sea. Right? And then we repeat the same thing. Swim across the sea. Heads are under. Heads are under. Guess what? That's another 4 times. Please hear that. Make sure you understand and hear that we're repeating the same note. We're staying on the same note, pitch. Heads are under water. And then we're going to play so. That's another 4 times the same pitch. So, do. All the little ducklings swim across the sea. Swim across the sea. Heads are under water. Tails look up at me. And there you have the song. Now comes the really exciting part, because we're going to be accompaniment the song with chords, which makes it much richer sound. Okay, so here we go. Make sure we're going to do the nice warm-up. So we're going to go Do, Mi, So, 1 chord. now comes our new chord, do, fa, la. Already started it last week. Do, and now fa is right here, so we're not shifting anything because fa is right here, and la goes over here. So that's the only shift that's happening with my thumb. Do, fa, la, 4 chord. Back to 1 chord, ready? Do, mi, my thumb goes back to so, 1 chord, and I'm gonna shimmy in a little bit because I have to reach that T here. The half a step down from do is T, and that happens to be that black key right here. So in order to find it with my pinky, I'm going to shimmy in here into the little train station, right? Here's my train all the way out, and we're coming into the station. And then I'm going to go so, and then fa is right there. So these two are right where they are, and the only finger shifting is my 5th finger to T. 5, 7 chord, and then all what I'm going to do is I'm going to slide my pinky back to do, do, mi, so, 1 chord. So please practice. This is a really, really important practice. Do, mi, so, do, fa, la, 4 chord. Back to do, mi, so, 1 chord. So, fa, ti, 5, 7 chord. Do, mi, so, 1 chord. All right. So here comes your song. Let's sing and play the song. I mean, not play it yet. We'll sing it with the chords. All the little ducklings. So 2 1 chords. Swim across the seas on la. So I'm going to play do, fa, la. Guess what? That's the la, and it sounds good with my 4 chord. Swim across the sea. See how I'm shifting? Swim across the sea. It's a little fast switch. So here comes your pitch, pitch, same pitch, and then 1 chord. Heads are underwater. 5, 7. Heads are under water. Tails look up at me. All right, so here we go. I'm going to play it with my right hand together. This is how it goes. All the little ducklings swim across the sea. Swim across the sea. Heads are under, crossing over here to 1 chord, water, and I'm aligning my right hand to so, and here comes 5, 7. Tails look up at me, and there you got it. Play it really slowly and only play it with both hands once you're familiar with singing along and playing the left hand chords. I'm going to play it swapping. As I said at the beginning of the tutorial, you can pause it here and just do your thing. Come back later if you need a refresher for left hand melody, right hand chords. Here we are. Left hand melody was all the little ducklings. Remember, I'm crossing over with my 2nd finger here because I don't play the whole scale. So don't get confused. If you're playing the whole scale, yes, 3rd finger. But just in Little Ducklings and Willem, just play the 2nd finger because we're not going to go on. Sing, swim across the sea. Nice and loosely turning over. Heads are underwater, tails look up at me. So pause the video and practice this if you don't feel really comfortable yet with the left hand. And now we're moving on to right hand, and we're going to go over one more time the 3 main chords in the right hand. Here we go. We're going to start 1 chord. Do, mi, so, 1 chord. Now remember the 4 chord, we have to shift on 2 places. We have to shift here for the 5th finger to go up a step, and we have to shift with the 3rd finger go up. Do, fa, la. I'm going to use this quick to show you. And back. 4 chord. Now we're going to go back to 1 chord. So I'm going to lift and get ready. Do, mi, so, 1 chord. And then same thing with here. I'm going to go choo, choo, choo into my little station because my thumb has to go half a step down, which is a T here on the black key. So, fa, ti. Okay? And we'll always end on do, mi, so, one chord. All right. So practice this. And once you feel comfortable, come back and we're going to sing the song while we're playing the chords. All the little ducklings shift, swim across the back sea. Shift again. So your thumb is your anchor, right? Swim across the sea. Shift. No, pinky is our anchor. Heads are under. This is how it looks like. Heads are under water. Just look up at me. Practice, practice, and let's finish it up. Once you're ready, I'm going to play left-hand melody. All the little ducklings swim across the sea. Swim across the sea. Heads are under water. Tails look up at me. Excellent. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to hear you play. See you next time.